How to reset my eyes only password on Snapchat without losing everything. Hi everyone, I'm Hetty Sisti. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, click on the gallery icon at the bottom. Here, in the top, click on My Eyes Only. Then click on Options at the bottom right. After you click on Options, you'll find all these options. Click on Change Passcode. And you can enter your Snapchat account password and press on Next. Then you will be able to reset, but you will lose everything if you don't know the password. So what you can do is go back, click on your Bitmoji at the top left. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. After you click on the gear icon, scroll down and scroll down to Help Center. Click on Help Center. After you click on Help Center, it will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and click on Contact Us. You can simply open Chatbot, and in here you can type in your issue. You can simply type in, I need to reset my eyes only password on Snapchat without losing everything, and it will give you the solution. Or if the form opens up, you can simply add your username, password, and then add the description, what you want, and submit it. Snapchat will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to reset my eyes only password on Snapchat without losing everything. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.